update coming in as far as the 1984 anti-Sikh riot case is concerned. After the court has postponed hearing in the case, 84 riot victims are protesting outside the Delhi court. So those are some of the voices that continue to be raised right outside the court premises. Let me go across to Akanksha joining us with more details. We'll just connect with Akanksha. Akanksha, if you can hear me, what are the 84 riot victims maintaining?
Outside the Rouse Avenue court where the matter was listed today, the widows of 1984 riots raised slogans against Jagdish Tytler. The slogans of Jagdish Tytler Haye Haye was raised, and they also sought for him to be hanged. Now remember, the matter was listed here in the Rouse Avenue court today, and time and again Jagdish Tytler has said that he's innocent and there's absolutely no evidence against him, and the charge sheet against him, which was filed on May 20th last month, was a huge setback to Congress, because we posed the question to the Congress. They were completely quiet that time. They did not issue even a single press conference. But BJP, the Sikh representatives, the widows of the 1984 riots are seeking that he should now be arrested. Congress has shielded Jagdish Tytler for far too long, and now he should finally be arrested. So after the case was heard today outside the Rouse Avenue court, the widows of 1984 raised slogans for him to be arrested, for him to be hanged, and the slogans of Jagdish Tytler Haye Haye was raised.
Okay, those are the voices that we're picking up from outside the court premises. Now, as far as the judge is concerned, remember today was the day when the court was to take cognizance of the charge sheet that has been filed against Jagdish Tytler. Of course, the court maintaining that they're adjourning the matter and they want the remaining part of the charge sheet. So, as far as the legal study here is concerned, what really has led to the postponement in this case, Akanksha?
Absolutely. As the case was listed today, the judge was supposed to take cognizance of the charge sheet, but the judge said that he is yet to read the charge sheet. He does not have the FIR of the case, and certain documents are still missing, and he has to get those documents from the Karkatuma court, and that is why we'll have to wait for 6 more days, because now the matter is listed for 6th of July, and that is why the matter has been adjourned. The matter was listed today and the cognizance was to be taken, but after, it is likely that on 6th of July the cognizance will be taken in this case.
All right. So the judge, of course, expressing how the court doesn't have the FIR copy as yet. They want the entire documents related to the charge sheet. And given the lack of submission of the same, an adjournment that has taken place on part of the court. Today, of course, much of the hope of the 84 victims was on the Rouse Avenue court as far as taking cognizance of the charge sheet is concerned. And that's what's perhaps led to this kind of anger, isn't it? Because, Akanksha, we saw after the longest time something concrete headed in this direction, wherein a charge sheet for the first time in so many years was filed against Jagdish Tytler in this case.
Absolutely. Whenever the cognizance will be taken of the charge sheet, it will be a big turning point in the case, because remember, it's been 39 years since this incident took place. Three people from the Sikh community lost their life, and the Gurudwara was also torched. The Delhi court will take the court,
maintaining that they only have the supplementary charge sheet. They need all documents from 2007 to the closure report of 2014, and only then the case can be taken forward. So 6th of July is when we're expecting more developments in this particular case. Thank you, Akanksha, for joining us with the latest. We need to shift our attention to